quarterback position. When you see that, it instills a ton of belief. So those guys stepping up in big situations, not a surprise to me at all. Those type of guys they are.
This game kind of started the way the first 2 weeks when you guys were able to overcome it. How did the experience of those first 2 weeks impact?
Conrad text me and ask me to pay your $4,000 yet. I'm like, yeah, you that was supposed to be money coming now, but I don't see nothing for everybody. That's what exactly what they said to him. Well, he got it? No. That's me if I got this. Why would I get this?
So a Kool-Aid McHistory with some good coverage. Jackson Dart came in with a bit of a hot hand after winning his first.
Yeah, you got too excited.
Dart led a couple of touchdown drives, but then Kool-Aid McHistory and the New Orleans Saints shut them down.
Well, you got 78 points.
Who? Dart?
Yeah.
Interceptions.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
Dart, that first one.
Who of him?
Nobody.
Diving catch. The second
That's who you should have picked up and sent a win.
No, really.
receiver that had
Carson win.
McHistory with 2
All them
You
quarterbacks
have
out
to
there.
realize it's not about who it is, it's about points.
How much points you got in?
This time only like 50, damn near 60.
That's what I'm talking about.
If you go look at all the quarterbacks what they did last week, they all got 50 and under. Wentz got 80 last week and he lost.
And in win this week?
So maybe oh yeah, they should have picked that Lane Jones. I should have picked that.
That's what I see.
It was too late. I wasn't thinking about it, but I didn't realize they were going to start it.
And nobody have him.
Oh, there he goes. Now I got 80 points for my defense. Ah, shit. Damn it. Oh, look, they got 69 points.
The defense?
Yep. If they give me 30 points, I'd be happy. They gave me 100 points.
You winning?
So far,
Who you playing?
Cornetos. Okay, Cornetos.
Tijuana. Let me see short for me. I call him Tijuana.